Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rolia G. De La Serna. I'm 19 years old and an entrepreneurship student from Quezon City University. I am currently applying for a on-the-job interview training position under the Financing and Accounting Office. I am hardworking, responsible, and fast learner, also student who is eager to gain experience in a professional work environment. As an entrepreneurship student, I have developed skills in record keeping, organizing documents, communication, and basic financial analysis, which I believe are useful in the Finance and Accounting Office. In my academic activities, I have handled projects involving budgeting, costing, and financial planning, which helped me to improve my attention to detail and problem-solving skills. My goal in this relationship or internship is to enhance my knowledge in finance and accounting processes, improve my workplace skills, and prepare myself for my future career in business and financial management. Thank you. What skills do you think can help you to succeed in your job training? What skills do you think can help you to succeed in your job training? First, one of my strongest skills is attention to the detail. In financial and accounting work, even small mistakes in numbers, records, or documents can always make sure to review my work carefully. Double check figures and organize files properly. These skills can help me to become more reliable and when handling financial records and office documents. Second, I believe my organization skills will help me succeed. During my studies as an entrepreneurship student, I often work on projects that involve budgeting, costing, and preparing reports. These experiences taught me how to arrange data systematically. And third, I consider communication skills as one of the most important abilities for success in job training in the workplace. And another skill that I can help me succeed in is willingness to learn and adaptability. And lastly, I believe my time management and sense of responsibilities will help me to perform well. I know that finance-related work often involves deadlines, reports, and other urgent tasks. But I believe because of this, I always make sure to manage my time wisely, finish task or schedule, and remain focused on the quality of my work. That's all. Thank you. How do you handle repetitive or detailed-oriented tasks? I handled repetitive or detail-oriented tasks by staying focused, organized, and patient. I understand that in the finance and accountability work, many tasks such as checking records and encoding data or organizing documents, and reviewing numbers can be repetitive. Even if the task is repeated, many times I remind myself that every detail is important because one small mistake can affect the whole report or transaction. To manage this, I make sure to follow step-by-step process. I work on one task at a time. Carefully review each part, a double check my work before submitting it. This helps me maintain accuracy and avoid errors. I also stay organized by arranging files, records or data in a clear order so it will be easier to track and review. When tasks are repetitive, being organized help me to work faster without sacrificing quality. As a student, I have already experienced similar situations when preparing reports, during or budgeting projects, and checking financial data in class activities. These experiences help me to develop patience and attention to detail. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself and share my qualifications. I'm confident that my skills, dedication, and willingness to learn will allow me to contribute positive to the Financial Accounting Office. This internship will be valuable opportunity for me because to grow professionally and gain experiences, practical experiences that will help me in my future career. Thank you, and I hope to be part of your team.